Hello, we're now into a bit of fractions and percent, using common fractions and decimal fractions to work out percents. Information you will need. May have seen it before, but you'll need a copy in your own book. Fractions and percent. This is section 4.9 of our chapter. And some basic information. 100% means 100 out of 100. If you did 100 spelling words, you got 100 of those correct. 75%, 75 out of those 100. 50%, 50 out of 100. The little dittos save me copying the same thing again and again. 25%, 25 out of 100. 10%, 10 out of 100. So that's the first thing to start thinking about. The percent sign here that has a 0, another 0, and a line between it, sort of uses the parts of 100. Turns them around, so it's to mean something out of 100. The next thing is to have a bit of a look at how they match each other. We have our fractions where the whole 1 is 100 out of 100. If I get that in a spelling test, I get the whole test right, 1. It is 100% right, and the decimal is 1.00, or I could write 1. Other big ones, if I get half of the things right, I've got 50 out of 100, 50%, 0.50. The next one, I've left some spaces and skipped over some to show you in a minute. Next one is a quarter, 25 out of 100, 25%, 0.25. I didn't get the whole thing right, I got 0.25 but right. The last one down the bottom here is 1/10, 10 out of 100. 10%, 0.10. Some people might even write 0.1, leave the last 0 off there. Now some in the middle that are very useful and used quite a bit. We have 3/4, which is actually 3 lots of 25 to be 75%, 75 out of 100, 75%, 0.75. 1/3, 33 out of 100, 33%, and to be very accurate, it's 33.33333 continued, but often people will shorten it to 33.3%, 0.33333 continuing on, or stopping at 0.33 and perhaps even putting the recurring sign above it. Last one to fill in between a quarter here and a tenth is 1/8. 12.5 out of 100 is 12.5%, 0.125. And one other one people might have, 1/5 to be 20 out of 100, 20%, 0.20. There are some basics there of percent to fractions and decimals, how they relate to each other. Okay, we'll stop there and go on soon.